Hey there and welcome guys, Errol Muller here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how I basically doubled one of my investments in 9 months. It took me 9 months to double my investment, 100% return on investment. As you can see, I am in the woods. I'm actually busy mountain biking, and I thought I'd shoot this quick video for you before we jump over to my laptop and I do some screen sharing with you. Just wanted to share with you that this is what this video is going to be about, how I doubled my investment, and at the same time I would like to start communicating with you. I want to do live streams, and what I would also like to do is in this video, closer to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how you can literally start asking me questions, how I am going to take your questions into account, and how I'm going to start creating videos around your questions that you guys have, because I've been asked numerous questions on my YouTube channel, on my website, so many things, and I would like for you to head over to errolmuller.com and check out that website. It's all about creating multiple sources of income. And in this video, by showing you how I doubled one of my investments, I'm also going to share with you multiple sources of income. And if you have any questions regarding that, I will show you now. Before we head over to my laptop, quickly want to share this with you. Behind me, I'm at a waterfall. It's quite beautiful here. And then I'm busy with another investment that's actually averaging on returns about 5% per week, which gives you about 20% per month return on investment. And it's got to do with forex trading. So the one investment that I'm busy with is crypto. It's masternoding, which I'll share with you now, because that's the one investment that I doubled my returns in 8 months. And I'll share the forex one with you guys shortly. And then there's quite a few things that I'm also busy with that I will share with you. So yeah, it's all about, like I said, the multiple sources of income, and it's coming shortly. Stay tuned.
Back in the recording studio, and I want to show you how to double your investment. Now, while I was mountain biking, I said to you that it took me 9 months to double my investment, and in actual fact it took me actually a lot less. It took me more like 4 to 5 months. That is if I had to take into account all the affiliate commissions that I've made, including the masternoding of those affiliate commissions. In actual fact, if we want to keep it real, the exact amount, and I do apologize, the exact amount of months that it took me to double my investment is actually 10 months. Because if we head over to the report, let's start with the dashboard. Let me show you. So currently in my account is 6,007 euros. If you guys have been following me, for those of you who are following me and who have clicked that subscribe button and turned on the notification bell, as well as liked this video, I want to say thank you. I do appreciate you, and thank you for all the comments you guys are always leaving below my videos. Firstly, what is this channel about? This channel and my website, errolmuller.com, is all about creating multiple sources of income for you so you can make more money. That's what it's all about. If you have any questions regarding that or regarding this specific investment that I'm about to share with you, leave me a comment in the description below this video. Very important, I'm busy with another investment similar to this. So this is all based around cryptocurrencies and masternoding. If you don't know what it is, go read up about it. And if you want to join, so I call it an investment, but it's actually not an investment, it's masternoding. So don't get me wrong, if you would like to join, you are joining a masternoding process. It's not Bitcoin mining, it's not cryptocurrency mining, it's something totally different. I'm busy with another investment that's very promising. It looks like currently it's between 15 to 20% per month growth. And if you would like to know more about that investment too, leave me a comment below this video and I will get back to you and I will release that investment shortly. Now, if you want to know more about this investment and you would also like to double your money, then you have to leave me a comment below this video and I will get back to you and I will share with you how you can get started with this specific investment. Now, if we head over to my dashboard, like I said, we've got 6,007 euros. That is currently my balance. I'm going to withdraw about 300 and let's call it 362 euros starting this month, and then continue to withdraw more every single month. And then what I'm doing with that funds, a golden nugget, a huge tip from me to you is always have multiple sources of income. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go and I'm going to use the money that I'm withdrawing here and I'm investing it into the other investment that I'm talking about, as well as other investments of mine. Talking about forex trading, I trade a lot with forex robots. That is a very lucrative way to make money. And if you would like to know more about that as well, leave me a comment below the video. So I don't want to keep this video too long. Let's head over to my reports tab. So as you can see, I started in the month of March, but in actual fact, I made a big deposit in the month of June. So as you can see from June, this is what happened. This is how my money has been growing every single month, and it's increasing every single month. My last month, which is the month of December, I had a 401 euros profit. So you can do the calculation for yourself based on where you are, where you stay, where you live, based on your country and your currency. I'm in South Africa, and you can do the calculation of 401 euros. So do South African Rand compared to Euro, and you can see what amount of profit that is for the month. So looking at the month, looking at my total profit so far, 2,400 euros that I've profited out of this investment, and total deposits at that point in time was 5,382 euros. And looking at affiliate commissions, now all of this is for the year 2021. The year 2022, you can see I've made another 222 euros affiliate commissions, and total deposits that I've added to my masternoding balance was 624 euros. Now I've got so many people, and I'm not allowed to share the affiliate downline with you, people that have joined me just because I share a lot of info with them. And if you would like to join me on this multiple sources of income journey, what you can do is head over to errolmuller.com. This is my website, and I would like for you to subscribe to the VIP email list, because on that VIP email list I will send out an email every time I create a video, or if there's a new source of income for you to make money at, or for you to use to make money with, or if I do live streams, I will send you an email, and then you can join me on a live stream and you can ask me any questions that you might have. Now, if you would like to, like I said, if you would like to be part of this investment, leave me a comment below this video. And like I said, I've got a guy here who's deposited so far just over 11,000 euros, and he's still depositing. I've got another guy who deposits over 8,000 euros. He's still depositing, and people are just joining. It's crazy. And why? Because it's a profitable way to make money. It's very consistent. Look, there's no guarantees. I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot guarantee your success, or that you will make any money, or that this program will last for till the end of days. There is no guarantees, but just tip from me to you, very, very important, is to always withdraw the money that you make. Not all of it, but withdraw some of it. Use it to invest in other sources of income. That is how you make money. Doesn't matter how long the program lasts, but while it lasts, make money out of it, profit out of it, and have safe investments, have other safe investments. I've got numerous investments, and that's what it's all about. And that's what I'd like for you to do, and that is what I share on my website, is numerous investments, from forex trading robots to crypto investments. The next investment that is coming is a forex investment. You will see. So it's literally the same as this program. You put in the money and you let it grow. That's it. You don't have to touch the fund. You don't have to do anything. You just make the deposit and let it work by itself. Okay, it's as simple as that. It just, a lot of people don't understand it. It boggles their mind, because they like, how can you just put in money and let it grow? It's the same with any investment. Go invest with the bank, go invest in the stock market. You literally just put in the money and you leave it. It's people managing the money on your behalf for you, making money for you. You just give them the money. They make their percentages out of it, their commissions out of it, which is fine. And that's it. So sorry about that. I don't want to keep this video for too long. So if you would like to know how to double your investment, especially with this one right here and the next investment that is on its way, as well as check out my website, leave me a comment below this video. It is very important to leave me a comment below this video. And if you would like to get in contact with me on my website, let's go over to my website. on my website, you can click on the contact tab. On the contact tab, you're more than welcome to send me any queries that you might have right here. I will either respond to you with an email, or I will respond to you in a future video. So I will take all the questions that is asked and I will then respond that way in one video, replying to everybody's questions, or I will take the most generic question or the most asked question and I'll respond to that. So once again, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, click that notification bell, hit that like button, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Have a blessed and a wealthy, successful, healthy life going forward. See you in my next video.